What's up guys, Logan here, and I am back with another episode of Product Prodigy. So today, we have got a very interesting power bank to try out. It's not like any average one you would see. Just wait and watch. We're gonna open this up and check it out. It comes in this pretty cool black box. Right there, it says it's called Mangata cases, dual power bank station. The back says USB output, iPhone/smartphone compatible, power surge protection, and 5,000 milliamp battery. But the cool thing is that you can see on the back here, there's two of them. So if you had both, you're getting 10,000 milliamps per hour. That's pretty good. This was $29.99 on Amazon. We're gonna check this out. They have a 180-day warranty you can sign up for. And here is the inside right here. So this is what intrigued me most about this power bank. It has a dock that you can charge the batteries on. And the reason that intrigued me, because sometimes I get lazy and having to plug in my power bank into a micro USB and not really having a spot for it, whereas in this is going to be very nice to have just sitting on the desk, so whenever I am done with my power bank, I could just sit it right here. So this is the dock right here. Looks very nice. I love the feel of it. It feels really nice. That is where you plug in the micro USB to charge it. Here are the two batteries. Dock and the two batteries, and you plug them in like so. Look how nice that looks. Like, that is really cool, slick, and nice to have on your desk. The micro USB is going to be out of the way. You're not going to have these just like laying around everywhere in the way. They're going to be nice and upright on this little dock. I just love this. This is sick. Here is the micro USB that plugs into the dock. Very nice thin cable. Plugs into the side here. Honestly did a really good job with the packaging. It's just, this whole design is so slick and nice. There's like a velvety type fabric in the box, which is cool. Only thing is they do not provide a wall port to plug the base into the wall. You'll have to have your own somewhere, but I do have plenty, so I'm gonna go get one. And the reason that I did decide to get a new power bank is because the one I had for years has completely died on me. It will not charge. It is from Senti. I don't believe they sell this one anymore. This was 20,000 milliamps per hour, so I got so many charges with this. It is bulky, but it got me like 6 full charges, so that's why I loved this thing. It charged my phone for so many years, I believe. This was almost one of the first products I reviewed on this channel. It was in the top 5 or 10. Alright, so here we got this beast of a power bank. 20,800 milliamp per hour. Somewhere around there, but this thing really helped me out. But I am looking forward to using these little new ones. This is how little it is compared to this one, and it's just going to be that much more portable. It looks like it can fit right in your pocket. It looks really nice. Let's get this plugged in. So the thing is, with this dock, you should always keep it plugged in because the dock does need to be charged to charge the power bank. So if your dock is not charged itself, you can take the power bank and plug it directly into a micro USB and charge it individually. I'm going to take one now and see if it has any juice in it, see if it'll charge my phone. Once I plugged the iPhone cord into the bank, it shows a white line in the middle there. I'm guessing that's what the battery means. Let's get that in focus. I'm guessing that's what the battery level is. If that is true, that means it has 100%, which is cool because my phone is on 11%, and there we go, I plugged it in and it is charging right away. So some specs of these batteries, like I said, each one is 5,000 milliamps per hour. They are a lithium ion battery. It says the battery life of each is 500 charge cycles, and it says the charging time takes about 3 to 4 hours. So a little bit slow on the charging, but if you're walking around or traveling around and have this plugged in, it shouldn't be an issue that you have to have it plugged in for 3 to 4 hours, or at least get a half charge with 2 hours or something like that. Of course, it also depends on what phone you're using and how big the battery is in that phone. But yeah, first impression, I really like these batteries. Love the battery dock, love the portability of the batteries, love that 2 come with it, each being 5,000 milliamps, and I love the fabric of it, and honestly, I can't think of a negative thing about it other than the charging time being a little slow, but not terribly. And that is all I have for you guys today. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time on Product Prodigy.